If you trigger this feeling in a woman, she may not understand why she feels drawn to you so quickly. It won't be because you used a perfect line. It won't be because you tried to impress her. It will be because something in your presence made her feel a rare emotion, one she doesn't feel around most people. And that is where attraction really begins. Not in the words, not in the outfit, not in the forced confidence, but in the emotional experience someone has around you. Because a woman can forget what you said, but she remembers the way her nervous system reacted around you. Did she feel curious? Did she feel relaxed? Did she feel emotionally safe? Did she feel challenged in a playful way? Did she feel like there was something about you she wanted to understand? Those are the hidden triggers. And when you understand them, you stop trying to force attraction, and you start creating the kind of energy that naturally pulls people closer. Number 1, the feeling of emotional relief. This is one of the most underrated attraction triggers. Most people carry tension all day. They're overthinking, managing expectations, protecting themselves, trying to look okay, trying not to be judged. So when someone comes along and makes them feel like they can finally breathe, that person becomes memorable. And here's where it gets interesting. Emotional relief does not mean becoming boring or overly nice. It means your presence doesn't add pressure. You're not demanding a reaction. You're not forcing her to entertain you. You're not making every silence awkward. You're not making her feel like she has to perform femininity, beauty, charm, or excitement just to keep your attention. Instead, she feels calm around you. She feels like she can be normal. She feels like she doesn't have to constantly defend herself. That feeling is powerful. Imagine she says something slightly awkward, and instead of making her feel embarrassed, you smile and keep the moment easy. Or she says she had a stressful day, and instead of turning it into advice, you simply say, "Sounds like your mind hasn't had a quiet minute today." That kind of response gives emotional relief, because you're not trying to fix her. You're not judging her. You're simply understanding the weight she's carrying. And this changes everything, because people become attracted to the ones who make their inner world feel lighter. Number 2, the feeling of being gently challenged. This is different from arguing, different from being rude, different from trying to dominate her. A gentle challenge is when you create a little spark without making her feel attacked. It tells her, "I'm not afraid of your opinion, and I'm not here to agree with everything just to be liked." That creates respect, and respect is a major part of attraction. For example, if she says, "I'm always right," you don't need to become serious. You can smile and say, "That sounds like something a person who's been wrong before would say." It's light, it's playful, it creates tension without hostility. And here's the deeper psychology. When a man agrees with everything, the interaction becomes flat. There's no energy, no contrast, no feeling that she's talking to someone with his own mind. But when you can challenge her gently, she feels your presence. She feels that you're engaged. She feels that you're not just trying to please her. Most people miss this. Women don't always want a man who simply says yes. They often respect a man who can hold his own energy while still being warm. That combination creates attraction because it feels rare. You're not cold, you're not needy, you're not aggressive, you're playful, but grounded. And that makes the interaction feel alive. Number 3, the feeling of being emotionally discovered. This is much deeper than being complimented. A compliment can make her smile, but emotional discovery can make her remember you, because it makes her feel like you saw something most people overlook. Not her makeup, not her outfit, not her obvious qualities. Something underneath. Maybe you notice that she uses humor when she doesn't want to answer something seriously. Maybe you notice she acts independent, but still appreciates reassurance. Maybe you notice she becomes quieter when a topic actually matters to her. And when you reflect that gently, it creates a powerful moment. For example, you might say, "You joke a lot, but I feel like you actually think deeply about things before you let people know." That kind of statement can stop her for a second, because it doesn't feel generic. It feels personal, and this changes everything. Because most attention feels surface level, but being emotionally discovered feels intimate. It makes her think, how did he notice that? And once someone asks that question about you, they start paying attention to you differently. But be careful here. This only works if it's real. Don't pretend to read her like a magic trick. Don't make dramatic claims. Just notice sincerely, because genuine observation creates connection. Fake observation creates discomfort. Number 4, the feeling of safe uncertainty. This is one of the strongest attraction triggers. Not confusion, not anxiety, not emotional games, safe uncertainty. It means she feels interested, but not pressured, curious, but not manipulated. She senses there's more to you, but she doesn't feel like you're hiding something to control her. That balance is magnetic, because people think about what they haven't fully figured out yet. If you reveal everything too quickly, the mystery disappears. If you act too confusing, trust disappears. But if you give enough warmth to feel safe and enough depth to stay interesting, curiosity grows. A simple example: you're having a good conversation. You share something meaningful, but not your entire life story. You make her laugh, but you don't stay forever trying to squeeze every drop out of the moment. You show interest, but you don't act like your whole identity depends on her reaction. Then you naturally return to your own life. Now there's space, and in that space, her mind starts working. What is it about him? Why did that feel different? What else is there? And here's where it gets interesting. Attraction often grows after the interaction, not during it. It grows when she replays the feeling, when she remembers your tone, when she thinks about what you said, when she realizes the moment stayed with her longer than expected. That's safe uncertainty. It gives her something to wonder about without making her feel unsafe. Number 5, the feeling of chosen attention. This is not constant attention. Constant attention often becomes cheap. Chosen attention feels different. It means when you focus on her, your focus has weight. It doesn't feel automatic. It doesn't feel like you give the same energy to everyone. It feels intentional. And that is powerful. For example, you're not staring at her all night. You're not reacting to everything she does. You're not trying to prove she has all your attention. But when you do speak to her, you're present. You listen properly. You remember what she says. You make eye contact with calmness. You respond to her actual meaning, not just her words. Then you give space again. That rhythm makes your attention feel valuable, and this changes everything, because people value what feels intentional. If your attention is everywhere, it means less. If your attention is desperate, it feels heavy. But if your attention is calm, specific, and controlled, it feels rare. And rare attention creates emotional pull. She starts noticing when she has it, and she starts noticing when she doesn't. That contrast is what makes your presence stronger. Now here's the part every man needs to understand. These emotional triggers are not tricks. They are not buttons you press to control someone. They only work in a real way when they come from a grounded place. If your goal is manipulation, your energy will eventually expose you. But if your goal is connection, these triggers become natural. You create emotional relief by not adding pressure. You create gentle challenge by having your own mind. You create emotional discovery by paying real attention. You create safe uncertainty by having depth without playing games. You create chosen attention by being present without being needy. That is what makes attraction feel instant. Not because you forced it, but because the emotional experience around you feels different from what she's used to. And that is the real secret. A woman doesn't become drawn to you just because you look confident. She becomes drawn to you because your confidence changes how she feels around you. She feels calmer, more curious, more seen, more alive, more aware of your presence. And when all of those feelings happen together, attraction doesn't need to be explained. It's just felt. So stop trying to impress every woman with noise. Stop trying to win attention with pressure. Stop trying to become someone you're not. Become the kind of man whose presence creates a feeling. Because when a woman feels something rare around you, she may not say it immediately. She may not even understand it at first, but she will remember it. And sometimes that memory is where attraction begins.